Imagine a Brazilian wax so refined it transforms your skincare routine into a luxurious spa ritual. This is the same trusted method professionals use to deliver flawless, radiant skin. Today you will uncover the secret behind this premium experience. This isn't just a wax. It's a meticulously designed ritual for comfort, precision, and a silky finish. Every stage is carefully crafted to protect your skin while delivering visible, radiant results. It begins with meticulous preparation. Clean, hydrated skin ensures a seamless, irritation-free process. Next, the high-quality wax is applied with precision. Gentle, yet effective, it glides smoothly without causing redness or discomfort. Careful removal unveils the transformation. Skin appears soft, radiant, and perfectly prepared for any occasion. All procedures are executed with the highest standards of safety and modesty. Finally, a nourishing serum locks in hydration, ensuring your skin remains luminous and fully protected. This method is trusted by top estheticians and luxury spots worldwide. The combination of expertise, premium wax, and meticulous aftercare produce results that are consistently flawless. The secret isn't just the wax, it's the complete process. Each stage plays a crucial role in achieving perfection. Follow these steps carefully to experience the ultimate in luxury grooming. For more professional grooming secrets and premium self-care tips, subscribe now and elevate your routine.